Yes. Yes, yeah. Good evening, all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether screen is visible or not? Yes. Yeah. Anyone please confirm me once.
It is visible. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Fine. Thank you. So in the last session, we had some introductory session, right? Just I'll take 2 minutes. So Python was introduced in the year 1989, right? But all of a sudden, Python is suddenly super popular. Reasons which makes it super popular, reasons which makes it suddenly super popular, right? Reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular. So Python has got many features as compared with other programmings. Yeah. First thing, most of the programmers or developers are attracted towards Python because of its very less coding, not even one-fourth coding as compared with other programming languages. And the simple syntaxes, we can see simple syntaxes given by Python as compared with other programming, not even one-fourth coding. They look like normal English statements. They are not as complex as other programmings. Right. It has got a multi-programming features. What all the features we see in different other programming languages. All those features we see here in this Python, because of which we call it as a hybrid language. And it has got one more feature what we won't see in other programmings, like interactive mode. We can easily interact with it statement by statement. For each and every statement, it gives response, right? So this kind of interaction we won't see in other programming languages. And wide varieties of applications creations, wide varieties of, can say like wide varieties of applications creations. So any kind of applications you can create today by using Python, right? So like automation applications, web applications, normal applications, gaming applications, networking applications, desktop applications, embed applications, right? In this way, wide varieties of applications we can, it's not for a particular purpose, right? For all purpose, right? Any kind of applications, right? Many built-in libraries, we can see many built-in libraries, right? Yes. 89,300 inbuilt modules it has got for different environments. Whatever environment you are from, right? Python is providing a module. Yes. So wide varieties of applications, many built-in libraries, thousands of modules it provides, and it is a general purpose programming language. General purpose programming, right? It's not for a particular purpose. It's not for a particular purpose. It's not for a specific purpose, for all the purposes. And it's a high level language. It's a high level language, easily understandable, and it's portable, right? Please be in mute. Very less coding, simple syntaxes, multiple programming features, interactive mode, wide varieties of applications, many built-in libraries, thousands of modules, general purpose programming, high level language. It's a high level language, right? Yes. Yes. Platform independent and portable, platform independent and portable. Okay, it's machine independent, platform independent. It can run on any hardware, any operating systems. It's interpretation language. Interpretation means line by line execution, which makes debugging easy, right? Yes. Supports all major database, supports all databases, right? And it's a programmer friendly programming. Can say it's a programmer friendly programming means user friendly programming or programmer friendly programming, right? So these are the reasons which makes it suddenly super popular. So very less coding, simple syntaxes, multi-programming features, interactive mode, wide varieties of applications, thousands of libraries, general purpose programming, high level language, platform independent, interpretation, right? Supports all databases and programmer friendly programming, right? And you need to know something about PSF, Python Software Foundation, right? Yes. Python Software Foundation, right? PSF, I can say it is a non-profit organization. It is a non-profit organization, devoted towards Python community. It is a non-profit organization devoted towards Python community, right? Yes. It was launched in the year 2001. Yes. It was launched in the year 2001. The main objective of this, right? The main objective to foster the development of Python. To foster the development of Python from version to version, right? Say non-profit organization was launched in the year 2001, objective to foster the development. And in the year 2005, PSF received Computer World Horizon Award. It received Computer World Horizon Award. Yes. And the president for this, right? Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum, the personality who developed Python, who introduced Python, the same personality is the president for this Python Software Foundation. And headquarters. Where are the headquarters located? Headquarters, right? Delaware, US. And official website, official website, right? Official website of Python. Official website like www.python.org. Python.org is the official website from where you can download and from where you can see the documentation of each and every Python release, right? So this is something about PSF you need to know before you go with the installation process and the versions, right? So next, before you go with the installation of Python, it hardly takes 1 minute to install Python. I'll show you that step by step how to download and how to install. But the Python versions, before Python 1.x.
Sir, you're on mute. We cannot hear you.
Everyone, are you not able to hear my voice?
We can hear.
We can hear.
Everyone able to hear, right? Yes. Is my voice clear to all? Once again, can you please confirm? Everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay. Python 1.x, right? It was introduced in the year 1989. Next, like we've got Python 2.x. 2.x means nothing but 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. The first two version was released in the year 2000. And the version what we are using currently, Python 3 version, right? 3.x. Like it was introduced in the year 2008. From the last, if you see last 17 years, we are going with the 3 version, latest version of Python. Latest version of Python. Yes. Python, like Python 3.13. 3.13, Python 3.13, right? And the stable version of Python, stable version, right? Stable version of Python. Python 3.12. Stable is nothing but I can say like mostly used version. Mostly used version, right? Yes. Yeah. So we'll be installing Python 3.13, the latest version. Yes. So Python installation. Yes. Before I go with this installation, you can go into this settings, apps and features. Within this apps and features, right? Yes, scroll down to this. I got Python 3.13 already installed in my system, Python 3.13. So I got multiple versions of Python installed in my system, 3.8, 3.9, 3.10. Check it here, all this 3.8, 3.9, 3.10, 11, 12. But I'll uninstall this 3.13, the latest version I will uninstall. And I'll just show you from the scratch how to download and how to install it. So I'm installing installation in progress. Yes. Python provides different softwares for different environments, like for Windows, for Linux, for Mac OS. For Linux, no need of any separate installation, because whenever you install any Linux operating system, by default, you get Python along with it. No need of any separate installation. But for Windows and for Mac OS, you are supposed to download and you need to install it. For Windows, again, Python is providing two softwares. If your Windows is a 32-bit, you are supposed to download 32-bit Python software. If your Windows is a 64-bit, you are supposed to download 64-bit Python software. Depending upon that Windows, right, you are supposed to download. But currently, if you got 64-bit Windows, how will you check whether your Windows is a 32-bit or 64-bit, right? Yes, an installation in progress. Let it go. Meanwhile, you can just check this, right? File Explorer, right? You can see this PC, right? In this PC, right click on this PC properties. You can say, um, 1 second. Can you see the system type here? You can see the system type, 64-bit operating system. What's that? 64-bit operating system. But if you're using older version of Windows like Windows 7 or Windows 8, if you've got a 32-bit operating system, right, then you are supposed to download 32-bit Python software. But here, 64-bit operating system. Okay, I'm closing this. Yes, I'm closing this. Uninstallation was successful. I'm closing this. Uninstallation is done. Uh, what is the official website for Python? What is the official website from where you can download and where you can install it, right? Yes, python.org, right? I'm typing like python.org. It is the official website from where you can download, from where you can install, right? Yes. So you can see the downloads and documentation here. Downloads, all releases. Click on this all releases, right? Click on all releases, right? And scroll down your page to the bottom. Just scroll down, right? Yes. Look, active Python releases is there. Don't go for it. Looking for a specific release, right? You can see all that Python releases from the last 20 years. Check it here. From the last 20 years, you can see what all the Python versions, everything you can be able to see here. From June 22, 2001 onwards, what all the Python versions were released. All the Python versions you can see. The latest version like 3.13.5, June 11, 2025. It was released 20 days ago. So you can just click on this. This is the latest version of Python. Click on this, the version gets opened. You can just scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can see some files here. You can see the files. Yeah. For Mac OS, go with 64-bit universal installer. For Windows, 64-bit, select it. For Windows 32-bit, select this. So I'm selecting Windows installer 64-bit. Click on this. Yes. Yeah. Now can you see here? Can you observe here, right? Yes. One download in progress. Your download will start. Whether it is Windows is 32-bit, click on that 32-bit. If Windows is 64, click on that. If it is Mac OS, you can just go with that, right? Mac OS installation. Just almost done with that downloading process. You can see it here. Python, the software size 27.5 MB size, right? It is done with that downloading process. Go to the download folder and click .exe file or click on this. Can you check here, right? Yes. Yeah, can you check here? Don't immediately go for the installation process. Don't immediately go with the installation process. At the bottom, you can see add Python to path. So just don't go immediately for the installation, right? Just add Python to path. Click on this add Python to path. Means it is going to add Python to path variable of OS. So Python is going to be recognized from anywhere, right? So if you are selecting this, no need to set environment variables. Used to do in Java, right? And setting environment variable path. All those you no need to do, right? If you are selecting it. Otherwise, you need to manually set the path. Yes. Just select that add Python to path, right? Add Python to path. Just click this customize installation, right? Go for customize installation, right? By default, everything are pre-selected. Everything are pre-selected. Nothing. There is documentation, pip, ideally, everything are selected. Just say next, right? Just say next. Yes. Click on this next. Here also, whatever like creating shortcut for install applications, add Python to environment variables, you have selected it. But at the bottom, if you observe, installation location, right, where it is getting installed, installation location in C, users, Dell, app data, local, programs, Python 313, right? Yes. So somewhere it is getting installed in some subdirectories. Tomorrow, if you want to locate where it got installed, right, you need to enter into all the subdirectories. Just I want to install within the C drive, just remove all this big path. Just remove all this big path and just install within this C drive. C Python 313 means a folder with the name, a folder with this name is going to be created. A folder with this name is going to be created within the C drive, and Python is going to be installed within this. So within the C drive, Python 313 and folder gets created, and just say install, it gets installed. Hardly it takes 30 seconds for installation. Setup in progress. It's just 30 seconds it takes. Once it is done, let us check whether it is got successfully installed or not. All right. Meanwhile, once again, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear or not? Yes. Okay, almost done with this. Setup was successful. Just I am closing this. To check whether it is properly installed or not, go to this search, type CMD, go to the command prompt. Yes. Just type a Python here. Just type Python and say enter. Just say Python. Yes. So auto version that you have installed, it should display. So whenever you say Python, whenever you hit enter, the version that you have installed and this Python interpreter, the 3 arrow symbol, you can just observe. Any valid Python statement you can type in check. 23 into 42, right? X as 10, Y as 3. What is X? What is Y? What is X plus Y? X minus Y, X into Y, right? Yes. X into 2, this is the power symbol in Python. 10 square, X equal to hello. X into 3, X into 5. Prints hello for 3 times. Hello into 5 prints hello for 5 times. Quit. Comes out of this, right? Yes. So it's successfully installed and is working fine. Yes. So if you want Python to be installed in your Linux machine, by default you get Python in your Linux machine. But if you want the latest version of Python to be installed in your Linux machine, so just use this command sudo apt-get install apt-get install, right? Yes. Python 3.13, right? So everything you need to install from the root user. So yes, this command will automatically downloads. Yes, this command will automatically downloads and installs Python into your local machine. Yes. Automatically it is going to download and install Python into your local machine, right? And Python execution modes, right? Yes. Two modes of execution, two modes of execution, right? First one is interactive mode and second is like batch mode. Interactive mode and second is like batch mode. Interactive mode. Just now I discussed it. We'll be interacting statement by statement. For every statement, it is giving response, right? This is what interactive mode. Here, we directly type Python statements. Here, we directly type Python statements on the interpreter, Here we directly type Python statements on the interpreter and the user can easily interact. And the user can easily interact with the Python statement by statement. Statement by statement. For every statement, it gives response, right? We directly type Python statements on the interpreter and the user can easily interact with Python statement by statement. Advantage of this? Advantage, right? Yes. If it doesn't know about any Python functionality, you can just type and check what output it is going to provide to test the functionalities of Python. To test the functionalities of Python. To test the functionalities of Python and to learn Python. To test the functionalities of Python and to learn Python. See, as a beginner and as a learner, right, this interactive mode works better. And this batch mode, I'm talking about this batch mode, right? So for developing applications in Python, this interactive mode won't work. We cannot develop applications using this interactive mode. It's only for interacting with Python to test the functionalities of Python and to learn this. But if you want to develop applications, you need to go for batch mode. Here we directly write a set of statements. Here we write a set of statements. Here we write a set of statements within the editors. Here we write set of statements within the editors or IDEs. We write set of statements within the editors or IDs, integrated development environments, right? Within the editors or IDs, and save it by using .py extension. Save it by using .py extension and later submit to Python. And later submit to Python. Later submit to Python. We write set of statements within the editors or IDs, save it by using .py extension, later submitting to Python. So what are the various editors and what are the various IDs that we use? Various editors supported by Python. Various editors means any text editor where you can write a .py file, like Notepad, Edit Plus, Notepad, Edit Plus, VI, Nano, yes, yeah. Just observe here, various editors I'm talking. Editors means text editors. The first two are for Windows, the next two are for Linux. The first two like a Notepad, Edit Plus for Windows environment, VA and Nano for Linux environment. And if I talk about the various IDEs, integrated development environments, right? So yes, we have got many IDEs supported by Python, like PyCharm, PyCharm, PyDev, Komodo, Spider. Yes, Spider, Eclipse, NetBeans, Jupyter Notebook, yes, and VS Code. See, PyCharm, PyDev, Komodo, Spider, Eclipse, NetBeans, Jupyter Notebook, and VS Code. Yes, yes. These are the mostly used IDs for Python. So you may ask why this many IDs? Why not one or two IDs? It is Python is used for different environments using different IDs. For example, data science using Jupyter Notebook, Spider IDE. For big data, right? Spider is used, Jupyter Notebook is used for typical web applications. PyCharm is the mostly used among all. PyCharm is the mostly used IDE, mostly used. PyCharm, VS Code. PyCharm is the mostly used, and we see this for the web applications like PyCharm, VS Code. In this way, different environments uses different IDEs, right? So not on a single IDE like other training sites. I'll be discussing on different IDEs. I'll be discussing on multiple IDEs like PyCharm, Jupyter, Spider, VS Code, all these things. So, okay. Developing the first Python application. Developing the first Python application. Yeah, sorry, some errors occurred. Can anyone please confirm me whether my voice is clear now? Yes.
Yes, clear now. Screen share is not available.
Okay. So developing the first Python application within editor, right? Open Notepad and type the following Python statements. Open Notepad and type the following Python statements. So up to now, we didn't discuss anything related to Python, right? Just I'll take two values like 10, x as 10, y as 20, and I just want to perform some kind of arithmetic operations like x plus y, x minus y, x into y, x into y, and x by y. X plus y, x minus y, x into y, and x by y. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 10, 20. This addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I'll just separate notepad. I'll show you. Just open a notepad. And pasting in the notepad and saving it as .py extension. Any name with .py extension. So just I created a subfolder for this batch. Python 8 p.m. batch night. So I'm saving it as sample1.py. Sample1.py extension, right? Yes. Now just I'm writing here. I've saved it as sample1.py. Yes, save as sample1.py. Now submit this file to Python. Now submit this file to Python. Now submit this file to Python has how? All right. At bottom search panel, type CMD, right? Type CMD. Enter. Fine. So just I've written a notepad file. Just I saved it as .py extension sample1.py. Want to submit this file to Python for
So not
submitting
able to
this
see
right
your
at the
screen.
bottom.
Not able to see your screen, and it's delaying, I guess.
It's delaying. 1 second. Give me a second. One second.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. Right. ఒక నిమిషం ఇది చూపెట్టట్లేదు కదా అసలుకి అది మీది ఒక ఎయిర్టెల్ రాహు ఇది అది
ఎయిర్టెల్ కుర్రామ్ ఉంటుంది చూడండి. KUR ఎయిర్టెల్ కుర్రామ్.
Now, even try to please confirm me whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not.
No, not visible.
Not visible now.
Not visible. Now it's coming.
Not visible.
Now it's coming.
Okay. Now, is the screen visible to all? So some issue with the Zoom. Anyone try to please confirm me once whether my screen is visible, whether my voice is clear or not. Yes.
Now visible and voice is
Voice
clear, but
little bit breaking.
when you try to share the screen share, at that time it takes some time.
Now is it fine?
And also sometime your voice is not
Yeah.
clear. I think at your end
Okay.
network is
Some
not good.
delay is there, I guess. Some delay is coming.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, we'll do one thing. So, okay, what we have discussed today, like Python reasons, it's super Python software foundation, Python versions, Python installation, Python execution modes, interactive modern language, and various IDEs, developing the first Python application within editor, right? Yes. So, still is voice breaking?
Yes.
Yeah, voice clear. We'll do one thing. So I've got an issue with this. So we'll continue tomorrow. Yes, from where we have stopped. So just developing the first Python application. So tomorrow we'll be saying more technicals, more interactive, right? So that was hello. Yes. Hello. Yeah. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll continue tomorrow, right? So today I was taking the session from some different place, say facing some network issue, right? Yeah. How much is the So yes, for Python Core Advanced, right? For Python Core for Advanced, it is 5,000, right? The fees for it. Okay, tomorrow I'll brief you about all these things. Pradeep Mowli, right? your queries or if anything, right? Today I'm facing some issue with this networking. So tomorrow we'll continue with the session where we have stopped, right? Yes. Everyone able to hear me? Yes. Hello? Able to hear my voice?
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah, we are able to hear you.
So I got some I got some network issue. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class, right? Tomorrow session we'll continue.
Sure.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Fine.
Okay.
Fine,
Yes.
right? Fine. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Same time, you can follow the same link. Tomorrow, same time at 8 o'clock, follow the same link, right? Yes. Thank you all for your time. Yes.
Thank you.